Hi, and welcome to That's So Nova. I'm Nova. If this is your first time here, I hope you enjoy the content and subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate to see you this morning and talk to you in reference to a bag that was just released. This bag is super important, not only because I'm a tester and I know designers and I can never be a designer. Their skills are chef kiss. Yeah, that's my husband's phone. I did the pattern called the Ojyma. It's from Country Cow, and the co-designer is Bedhog. And if you know Bedhog in the community, you know her as Amy, and she makes some of the most fantastic, colorful, just amazing bags I've ever seen. I totally look up to her and her skill set. So they created this bag together, and it is literally the perfect crossbody. This is my test bag. I use Notorious fabrics. It was a watermelon Mickey, and I just thought it was cute. It has a ton of pockets. We have a magnetic snap cargo pocket in the front. We have a nice slide, like slip pocket in the back, and it's deep, and there's a magnetic snap. When you open it up, you have a slip pocket, as well as you have a nice zipper pocket as well inside. And this is all constructed with binding. It is easy. It's a perfect size. And I just think it looks so cute. And every time I see it, I just see that this could be someone's everyday bag. So what Joe had from Country Cow is she decided to make a, not a subscription box, but for the patterns release, she decided to make a handful of boxes to sell to people, and you knew about this box based off this of your newsletter. So I'm going to put Joe's and Country Cow's website on there and get a part of their subscription, because their subscriptions really is different from anyone else I've seen out there. Like last month, they came out with this really awesome free tutorial on how to put this really cute pouch together, and the pattern was free too, but it wasn't to the public. It was for her subscribers who subscribed to the newsletter. Now, so with the Ojyma, she had a letter go out saying, hey, I'm going to create boxes with all the materials you need for the bag. The only thing you need is your needle and machine. And I immediately jumped on it because I wanted to support this, because there's so many people like me who are artists, as in like we can create and make a bag all day long, and we test for a lot of bags. We may have ideas, but we may not be able to execute it like Country Cow, like creating gussets, correct measurements, like different things to accompany the pattern. This pattern is completely made on her domestic machine. I will link the tutorial down on YouTube that came out yesterday as well. So without any further ado, let me open up this box. It came from the UK. I literally got it yesterday during the the bag opening, and I'm like really excited. I might be cutting into like the actual box because I'm excited. Don't judge. That's what you hear, a little whining in the background. That is my huge puppy named Loki. Loki's a half Cane Corso and half Great Dane, and he's a big boy. He weighs like probably like 150 pounds, but he's only 1 year old, so he has a lot of babyisms. Like right now, he's crawling into my husband's lap. If you were to see it on my end, you'll be like, he is your husband. My husband's a pretty big dude. This puppy's big. So when you open up the box, and by the way, I love her branding, this Country Cow design sticker. I literally want something that says That's So Nova or Nova's Knits on it, like that. When you open up your pack, your pattern, everything is sealed in water, like a plastic that is biodegradable. 2 folds on this. Awesome that they got a biodegradable materials. Hi, Loki. And it's wrapped in plastic, so you know your materials are not going to get destroyed. I appreciate that. So I'm going to open this up, and I'm going to show you what you get. So you get the thanks for choosing our pattern from Amy and Joe, Adam and Joe. And you get a nice book copy Oh, this is nice. 'Cause, I mean, we print these out, but it's like on some fancy smooth paper. It's some fancy smooth paper. You get the whole entire pattern set up, all the instructions in this really great book, and I'm kind of excited about this. And she gives you a supply list and where she got all of her supplies, and I appreciate that as well. And it says, "That's now begin." We get the pattern. Now, her patterns always come with the letter file and the AO file, so you can get a print at a print shop like PDF plotting, printing, and whatever. I think that is amazing because I hate taking pieces together. So I am excited about cutting this out. I have the pattern pieces already, but just if I lose them. She gives you thread that matches the pattern. These are super cute. The webbing you need. This is really pretty webbing.
It's a lot of colors.
Yeah. I think Joe's bags are generally really colorful, and it's one of my, I know her bag a mile away. And the interesting thing is too, Amy's bags are like that too. Her bags are always have these pops of color that you're like, wow, I didn't know these would go great together, and now I want to make all things that color. So we get some hardware. I'm not gonna lie to you, I've been wanting to get some Country Cow hardware, and in particular these zipper pulls, because I've seen them and they're like leaves and little flowers, and her antique brass is different than what I see others have. It's a different shade. We get some rivets, and we get our double magnetic snaps. I know, Pop. Okay, we get the foam that we need for the bag. And this bag is really cool because you actually don't put the foam in until almost the last step on each side. I love this color cord. I don't think I've ever had this color cord. That's beautiful. We get a light brown or a dark sand brown or light chocolate. Some Decaville light. More Decaville heavy. Waterproof canvas for our interior. You get some, looks like some shape flex. In the bag's main interior, this is really pretty. One of my closest friends, anything owls, she's all about. And this is from the art gallery. This is really pretty. And our main exterior, ooh, I think she gave us some oilskin. Yeah. It is, it's like a wax canvas or dry oil. This is a phenomenal match. That is, I love wax canvas, and I love dry oilskin. This is an amazing box. Thank you so much. I was so happy that I was able to purchase one because they sold out of this box in a matter of minutes. She had a nice size quantity. She puts it in the newsletter. She'll give you the time, and it will be up to you to get it. And the shipping, I got it from Royal Mail. I think I got it in less than 8 days. I think it was around 5 to 6 days. And I'm excited. It came yesterday, literally on the bag opening, and I was like, oh my god, this is so cool. So this is what's inside the bags. And like I said, it has absolutely everything. You have the thread, you have your interfacing, you have your stabilizers, you have your exterior, you have your interior, and you have your instructions. And look at the instructions. This is so cute. It has bedhog. This is just a really cool thing. This is the bag on this photo is the bag that what comes inside of it. So I just wanted to share with you. I'm gonna put Country Cow's Designs YouTube channel, as well as I'm going to put their link to where you can buy this pattern. I believe she sold out of boxes, but because the boxes did so well, she's actually thinking about doing them for future boxes, future pattern releases. But you can buy this pattern PDF, and like I told you, this bag is super cute. It is perfect everyday size. Let me give you, they have the measurements on the front page. Okay, it's 9 inches tall, 8 inches wide, and 3 inches deep. I think this is a perfect I'm going to everything bag. Very fun for directional or toss prints like this. Have fun. Mine is all cotton with a muslin inside. I ran a waterproof canvas that actually would match. So, and you actually don't need the hooks. I cut my straps a little bit shorter, so I added them, but she shows you the technique how you can put it through. And I feel like this will be great as a gift, great for craft fairs, great for the holidays. Like, this is a great bag. So I'm going to put all of Country Cow's information down below. I'm going to put a Instagram link to Amy, so maybe you can follow her and see her work, and you can see how this collaborated. And I can't wait to put the next one together. So if you have any questions, down below. Like, subscribe if you think the channel is worthy. Make a comment. It helps out the channel a lot. And until the next time I see you, it's Saturday. Happy Saturday and happy sewing. Bye.